Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts and Hacks, the channel where we make everyday life just a little bit easier. Today I'm sharing 10 simple house cleaning hacks that will save you time and hassle. These aren't just any hacks, they're backed by interesting facts and some smart tips to help you get the best out of them. So if you just want to keep your place fresh and save yourself some effort, stick around. Let's start with the microwave. You know, after a while they start to stink, and the food splatters can be nasty. Here's what to do. Grab a lemon, cut it in half, squeeze the juice into a microwave-safe bowl of water, and add the halves to the bowl. Microwave this for about 5 minutes until it gets nice and steamy, then let it sit for a few more minutes. Did you know that acid in lemons is a natural antibacterial agent? When combined with the steam, it helps loosen up even the toughest grime and eliminates odours. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which is super effective at cutting through grease. Plus it leaves your microwave smelling amazing. After it's steamed up, just take a cloth, wipe everything down, and then everything will come off easily. No scrubbing until your arm aches, and there you go. A fresh microwave, done in under 10 minutes. Next up is your carpet. Carpets have a way of trapping smells. Spilled drinks, pet accidents, or just regular wear and tear. Instead of using some expensive spray, just grab some baking soda. Sprinkle it generously over the carpet and let it sit for about 20 minutes before you hoover it. Did you know baking soda is a natural deodorizer? Its alkaline properties neutralize acidic waters, which means it doesn't just cover up smells, it actually absorbs and eliminates them. The result? A fresher smelling room without the chemicals. If you're dealing with a particularly stinky spot, you can leave the baking soda overnight for a deeper clean. Now let's talk about your shower head. If it's spraying everywhere except where it should, or if the pressure feels weak, it's probably clogged with mineral deposits. Here's an easy fix. Fill a bag with white vinegar and tie it around the shower head so it's submerged. Leave it there overnight, and by morning, those mineral deposits will be history. The science behind it? White vinegar contains acetic acid, which dissolves calcium carbonate, the main culprit behind limescale buildup. It's the simplest, most affordable way to keep your shower head working as good as new without having any kind of, special cleaner. Now look at that pressure. This is like a brand new shower. Dusting blinds might be one of the most annoying cleaning tasks, but it doesn't have to be. Not with this trick. All you need is an old sock. Put it on your hand, dip it in some soapy water and run it along each slat. You've got full control and you can get into those tricky spots. Fun fact, most dust particles in your home are made up of dead skin cells, fabric fibres and even bits of paper. By dusting regularly, you're actually improving your indoor air quality, which is especially important if you have allergies. Let's move on to windows. For streak-free windows, you don't need any fancy products. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, spray it on your glass and wipe it with an old newspaper. Why newspaper works? Unlike paper towels, newspapers don't leave lint behind. The ink used in newspapers also contains solvents that can help give your glass that streak-free shine. So not only are you cleaning your windows effectively, but you're also putting old newspapers to good use. No streaks, no residue, simple as that. If you've got a slow drain, instead of using harsh chemicals, try this. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain and then half a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for about 5 minutes and then flush it with boiling water. Chemistry 101. When you combine baking soda, a base, and vinegar, an acid, you get a chemical reaction that creates carbon dioxide and water. This bubbling helps to dislodge the gunk in your drain, and the boiling water helps flush it all away. It's a natural way to keep your pipes clear without using toxic substances. You know those dents in your carpet left by heavy furniture? Here's an easy way to fix them. Lay a damp towel over the dent and then press it with a warm iron for a few seconds. Why this works? The steam from the iron helps the carpet fibers lift back up, especially when they've been compressed for a long time. Just fluff it up a bit with your fingers and the dent's gone. Ceiling fans gather a ton of dust and cleaning them can get messy. The easiest way to do this is to use a pillowcase. Slide it over the fan blade and pull it back. And this keeps the dust inside the pillowcase instead of letting it fall all over your floor. Dust alert. Dust mites thrive in dusty environments and they can be a nightmare for people with asthma or allergies. By using this simple trick, you're also reducing the dust circulation in your home. This keeps the dust inside the pillowcase instead of letting it fall all over your floor. Oven glass gets grimy fast. For an easy way to clean it, mix some dish soap with vinegar. Spray it on and let it sit for 20 minutes, and then wipe it off. Fun fact, the combination of vinegar and dish soap creates a powerful degreaser. The vinegar cuts through the grease, while the dish soap helps lift it all away. It's the best of both worlds, and it's great for removing baked on gunk without much effort. Want your home to smell amazing while you vacuum? Just grab a cotton ball, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and pop it in the vacuum bag or compartment. As you vacuum, the scent will fill the room. Scent science. Essential oils like lavender and eucalyptus aren't just pleasant, they're also known for their calming and antibacterial properties. This little trick not only helps your house smell great, but can also help reduce bacteria. And that's a wrap, my people. 10 easy cleaning hacks to keep your place looking sharp without breaking a sweat. Honestly, who wants to spend their whole day scrubbing away anyways? Not when you've got better things to do. If any of these tips have helped you out, make sure you hit the like button. And listen, if you've got any hacks of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'm all ears for anything that means less time cleaning and more time scheming. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and slap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.